What up guys, welcome back. Hope everyone's doing well. So today we're going to be installing my new HPI exhaust on my Lowrider ST. I've been waiting 6 months for this pipe to come in, and it finally is in. Yesterday I was literally waiting like a little kid for the UPS truck to come, and I must say guys, it was definitely worth the wait. The welds in person look so different than online. It's a beautiful pipe. I can't wait to install it and to hear how it sounds. So let me show you what came with it. We have this piece over here that clamps on. This is for the bag. And we have the gaskets and the O2 plugs for the sensors. And this is what actually holds the pipe. So I'll show you guys everything as I install it. So the first thing we got to do is remove the bag. I'm going to remove the exhaust as well. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to remove the bag first. It's very easy. You just open it, you pull this out, and you turn it to unlock. This pops up, which lets you know it's unlatched. Let's go ahead and close it back up. There's some grooves here which makes it very easy to remove, so all you guys gotta do is just push it to the left, just like that. Alright guys, so I'm using a 3/16 Allen to take these two out, this one and this one. I also got to remove this nut over here, and I'll show you guys what's under this once I take it off. So I'm going to take off the O2 sensors. Once you remove the battery cover, here's one of them right over here. You unclip it from the bottom and it comes out. And the second one is right over here. So we just removed the exhaust. I have to just remove this one bracket right over here, so I could go ahead and remove the cam cover now. I must say, this stock pipe is super heavy. I wish I had a scale to weigh, see how much it is, but I'm glad I took it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the cam cover now, put the cam on, and install the HPI pipe. Alright guys, so these two bolts that go right over here, we're only going to be using one of them. So this is the piece that comes with the HPI kit, which is going to support the exhaust and also our back support. So we have to use one of the screws, which is this one right over here. We're not going to be using the second one. Instead, we're going to be putting this in, just like this, actually, like this, into this one, and the last hole is for the back support. So let me go ahead and put this on and I'll show you guys exactly how it looks like. Okay, so I just put on the back support. I put in one of the bolts that we removed, and this last one is going to be this piece right over here. So I went ahead and Loctited all the bolts, and this is going to go in just like that to support the pipe. So this is what it looks like, guys. It's the back support. exhaust support and one of the 2 bolts that goes in here. So now, while I did that, I'm gonna go ahead and drain the fluid inside the cam cover. Let that drain out, put the cam cover, and get started on the exhaust. I really thought more oil would come out, but not too much. I didn't have a deadhead hammer to kind of shake it loose because it sticks to it. So what I did is I just took my regular hammer and wrapped it with a bunch of microfibers and made it into like a very soft hammer. So I hit it and it just came loose. And this is all the oil that came out. Man, I wish I had a cam so I could just change it right now. Alright guys, so I just put the cam in, so I'm ready to put the pipe on now. Gotta say, it looks pretty good. Alright guys, so I finally finished. I just put the battery cover back on. I had to do this by myself. If I had a pair of hands, it would have been much easier, but we got it done finally. I just have to wipe it down and turn her on. I didn't have too much difficulty. If someone was able to hold this right pipe for me while I was locking it down in the corner, it would have been much easier. That took a little bit long. Put the cam cover in, that looks beautiful. But overall, super moderate. It's definitely easier with 2 people, but I think it looks really good. So I'm gonna wipe it down right now and turn it on for you guys. Alright guys, so I am officially done. I am super excited. I've been waiting to get to this moment for a long time. I just went ahead and cleaned everything, wiped it down. Let's go ahead and start this baby. bronze. Oh, nice. Wow, that's all I could say. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one.